हेलो दोस्तों। तो आज की इस वीडियो में आप सभी का स्वागत है, जहां पर हम इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स की बात करने जा रहे हैं। इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स में हम आज देखेंगे कि व्हाट इज़ ब्रेडबोर्ड। ब्रेडबोर्ड के साथ हम देखेंगे मेल टू मेल जंपर वायर्स, मेल टू फीमेल जंपर वायर्स एंड फीमेल टू फीमेल जंपर वायर्स। What are the uses of this breadboard and what are the uses of these jumper wires we learn in this video. I mean, how to use these jumper wires and breadboard we learn in this video. So let us start with the breadboard. So what is breadboard? So breadboard is something like that. You are seeing in picture. This is the breadboard. You can perform your logic gates, whatever the circuit is, you can prepare it on the breadboard by the help of the circuit. Thereafter you can make it on the PCBs. आप PCB यूज़ बनाना चाह रहे हैं, इस तरह से डिज़ाइन करना चाह रहे हैं जिस तरह से इस डायग्राम में दिया गया है, तो PCBs जिनको कहा जाता है ब्रेडबोर्ड से पीसीबी और पीसीबी पर उस सर्किट को फिर उतार सकते हैं। बट इजीली है, आपके जो भी एक्सपेरिमेंट्स हैं उस पर करे जा सकते हैं। सो लेट अस टेक अ लुक ऑफ ब्रेडबोर्ड। दिस इज द कंप्लीट स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ ब्रेडबोर्ड। यू कैन यूज इट एंड look at here, these holes are interconnected with each other. This first line from till end is negative, it represents negative, and the second till end are positive. You can put your if you wanted to be put your positive, you can put it here in this second, and if you wanted to put it your ground wire, that's maybe the negative wires, you can put it here by the use of maybe the jumper wires or maybe the other wires. If you don't have a jumper wire, that doesn't mean that you can't be able to to perform your experiment or maybe whatever the logic circuit. You can use your random wires also. Similarly, these four are connected each other. These four A B C D, if you are able to see it, A B C D ये जो है इस तरह से फोर पैरेलली कनेक्टेड है. सिमिलरली इस साइड भी ये लास्ट वाली जो है यहाँ से स्टार्टिंग में नेगेटिव, देयर आफ्टर पॉजिटिव. सो लेट अस सी व्हाट आर द जंपर वायर्स. So these are the jumper wires. Jumper wires, these are called male to male wires just because you can see it. इसमें कुछ pins लगी हुई हैं. There are some pins in the first end and also there are some pins in the second end. So that's why these are called male to male jumper wires, just because they have pins in their both ends. Hope you understand. Male to male jumper wires have pins in both ends. So you can connect it easily by the help of these jumper wires. If you wanted to connect it, just push it down and here is the connection. You can connect the negative with positive, positive with the negative whenever you wanted to connect it with other devices such as capacitor. This is a 100 microfarad and 50 volt capacitor. So larger, this is the one wire is larger than that of the other. This is the positive wire, is larger wire is a positive wire and the second one is the negative wire. So here is the connection. If you wanted to connect it with the positive wire, you just connect the second wire in the second hole because they are interconnected with each other. So if you wanted to connect, you can't put in this hole just because there is a connection of this capacitor in the positive. So you have to be put it in the second hole or maybe the third hole or maybe the fourth hole. You can connect it in any other hole if you wanted to be use a jumper wire. If you wanted to connect it with the positive wire or maybe the connection through the battery or maybe through the input, whatever the input is, if you wanted to connect positive to the other terminal, maybe according to the circuit, you can put it up jumper wire first here and the negative is here in the second holes. Next is female to female jumper wires. In this case, you're seeing that there is absence of pins in the female jumper wires, and in female to female jumper wires, both ends are pinless or maybe without pins. So you can connect it through the Arduino or maybe whatever the component is, where you don't have need to adjust it on the pins, because there is also availability of the pins. So you can see it here because there is some holes inside the jumper wires. So you simply have to put it on the Arduino or maybe whatever the IC circuits are there, IC chips. And the last but not the least, that is male and female jumper wires. So that is a simply one end is, just a second, one end is pinned, one end have a pin, and second end is without pin. So I think this is maybe helpful to you. So hope you like this video. Please subscribe, share, and also comment on this video. So thank you very much for watching this.